In the previous session, we started to see how to use where clause and restrict the number of records that are getting displayed row wise. Okay, so the last query that we did was actually select star from customers, where the customer address is from Chennai. So we wanted only the list of customers who are from Chennai. So this is the query that we did right last time, to restrict the number of records getting displayed only to two customers who are coming from Chennai, Jack and Jill. Okay, so in this session we will continue to see how to use this where clause to manipulate the records that are getting displayed row wise with different conditions. So in the last session we saw this particular command, and we got the two records, Jack and Jill, who are coming from Chennai. Now in the same command I am going to rewrite it with, I am going to remove this Chennai in this format, and I am going to write it in fully capital letters. Okay. Now let us see what happens. There are no records getting displayed because the records that are stored in the tables are case sensitive. So you need to be particularly careful, especially of character type data types or columns, wherein this will be coming into picture. So if you need a particular record, you also have to be case specific. Okay, so that is one point to be noted when you handle especially variables. Then you also need to know the variables value is put inside a quote. I have put them under a single quote. Now let us see, you also have other data field, right? Here there are a number field. As far as numbers are concerned, you don't need to put them in any quotes and all. You can directly address them. Say for example, I am just saying customer phone is equal to, I don't want to type the whole thing, so I am just copying one of the records and I directly put it, there is no quotes. That is because this is number type. So when I say where customer phone is equal to this particular phone, then it lists the record of this particular customer Jack, because I gave the specific phone numbers. Now since this is a number, I can also start manipulating it slightly, right? This is equal to symbol that I have put. Now let us check once again all the customers. Okay, you have different records like this. I can also manipulate it by giving a greater than symbol. Now what happens when I do this? This is a number, so any phone number which is greater than this number will also get displayed. Let's see how many records are there like that. Only two, Jill and George. Okay, so since it is a number, you can also use all mathematical operations. Say for example, this was greater than, I can also put a less than. This time this is going to get me more records. Okay, so they are getting me 4 records. I can also put a not equal to by putting a greater than and a less than symbol together. So this is going to display 6 records for me, right? Everything except this particular number. So when you have a number data type, you can use all mathematical operations, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So we will see not equal to, less than, greater than, all operations are possible. So let us also check less than and equal to and see how this works. Okay, so this number along with the numbers that are less than that are getting displayed. So all basic mathematical operations like less than, then your greater than, then your less than equal to, greater than equal to, and your not equal to, you can use when you have the number data types. That's what we have seen today. So we have seen all the mathematical operators on this particular data type, which is of the number type. And note that this, when you query, you need not put it under the quotes because it's a numeric. However, this will not work if it is a character data type. Okay, so we have seen the different number types, we have seen the different character types. Let's see how you can handle dates also. Okay, now remember we have another table called cust_orders, where I think we have ordered date. Let us see the records from this particular table. So here I have entered 3 dates and 3 orders one on August 1st, one another on August 2nd, a third order coming from August 3rd. Okay, so this is a date field. Now let us see how the select operation actually works here. Okay, so select star from customer orders where order date is equal to, here also I need to put the dates in quote. Okay, so this is going to be 0 August and 2020, right? So this is the date of the order. So in this case, when I run, the order ID matches only to the first customer order. So I should get only one record. Let's see that. Yes, right? Now let us see what happens when I change 01 AUG as 08. Okay, I'm just changing the format of the order. Let's see how it happens. So it says in not a valid month. Okay, so because this is not the format the data is stored, it is stored in this format, so this is not an acceptable format at all. We need to change the order format, which we will see later how that gets done. For now, this is a date format that you have stored the record, so that is how the display happens. Now, like your number data type, here also you can use less than, greater than, etc. Now let us see, when I say greater than August 1, what gets displayed? Okay, 2nd August and 3rd August, because in date it says that when you say greater than a particular date, all the dates subsequent to it will come. Okay, now let me change this into 2nd August and then I'll say less than 2nd August. In this case, you should get a display of only 1st August, right? So, like your number data type, your date data type records can also be manipulated with these mathematical symbols greater than, less than. Now, let us see if this works for greater than, equal to also and less than, equal to. Okay, so you should have two records for greater than or equal to, and for less than or equal to also you should have, in this case there is an equal to symbol, so you should be having 2. Okay, so if you see that both your data number and your data types, you can use these mathematical operators less than, greater than, less than, equal to, then greater than, equal to, and not equal to. All these operators can be used on both the number and the date type. Even the not equal to can be used in date type. Let's see, it should display 1st and 3rd August. Okay, so all these mathematical operators are applicable both for numbers and dates. The only difference in dates is that you have to put the date in the quotes. Okay, but other than that, all the basic mathematical operations can be applicable here also. Okay, with this we will end the session. A quick recap, what we have seen is, we have seen that for a variable data type, it is case sensitive. How you store in the database, it has to be exactly the same way when you query it in the where clause 2. Then we have seen how to pull records based on a data type which is numeric. So that's what we have tried with customer phone number. And we also saw how to pull records for data types wherein you have the conditions on dates, where you also put the date into the quotes. And we have also seen how the mathematical operators less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and not equal to can be applicable both for numeric and date types in your where clause. Okay, with this I'll end the session. In the next session, we will see still some more details about how to manipulate the data using this where clause. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.